Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a haul which includes H&M stuff and another homeware brand which is Oysho. I already showed some of their items, I think in lookbooks or something. I'm not sure if I ever did a haul from them, but I also picked up some stuff there. Right now I'm in my new place, so this is the first video I'm actually filming in one of my new rooms. And yeah, because I have a Christmas party coming up, I also tried to pick out stuff which finishes the outfit I want to wear. Since the Christmas party has a theme, I also got some accessories that are more bling bling, so they fit to the Christmas party. Anyways, this weekend was the Black Friday weekend. It was crazy busy in the shopping malls. So most of the items were discounted because of Black Friday. Most of the items had 20% discount anyways for Black Friday sale. Black Friday sale, and I can't speak anymore. Sorry. And I also picked up some stuff not only online, but for example there's homeware stuff and things I bought in Uniqlo. I will show them just like that because I already unpacked them and stuff. Yeah, right now the dress I'm wearing is the white one. I want to see if the shoes I picked up are fitted for this dress. The H&M box has 3 shoes in it, and I was debating if I should get a white shoe for a white dress. But we will see how it turns out in the try-on haul, and then yeah, I will decide on maybe 1 or 2 shoes to keep or something. I'm not sure if I need any of them, because actually I have enough shoes, and maybe I will find something fitted for this dress right now and for the Christmas party. So I probably won't need any of them, but maybe there's a really good one which suits the style really well. So I hope there's one, and yeah, let's just get started. And I'll start with the H&M haul. I'll start with the H&M haul because that's where the people are interested in the most. And yeah, let's just get into it. To start with homeware from H&M first. This was actually picked up before I bought on Black Friday. I got this pillow because I wanted the bed theme. I wanted a color at the back side of my bed wall, you know, and it was like rust red or something. So I wanted to accentuate the sheets a little bit. I didn't finish it yet, but I will find something suitable soon. And yeah, I picked up this nice soft pillow, which is really small. It's only for decoration, but it's also really soft, and I got the inside pillow also from H&M. So it's really good. I'm actually really impressed with the quality. This is velvet material. It was really trendy in the fall, and the color was also it's a really earthy red orangey color, and it's really pretty, so I'm really happy with this pillow. And yeah, so actually I went to a H&M home store in the Mall of Berlin. The candles, they had a big selection of nice winter candles, so I checked them out. You can sniff a little bit. And this one was the one which impressed me the most. It's firewood scented candle is the name, and I have no idea how I should just describe the smell, but it's actually pretty fresh, and it doesn't smell that much like forest. Like, even though the candle looks like that, it's not a foresty smell. And the inside is also green, you know. Yeah, I actually burned it down to half of the candle already. The scent doesn't stay that long in one room, and I have a really small bathroom. So I have to say, even though as long as it is lit up, the scent is spreading well. But as soon as you like blow the torch out, the scent is gone like within half an hour or something, which is sad. But otherwise, I really love the scent. It's so fresh. I don't know, but it's a soft freshness, not like this clean freshness. I don't know how to describe scents, but if you have a chance, just smell a little bit on that, sniff a little bit on this. Like, this sounds wrong. This was quite expensive, I think, for 1 candle, despite the size. Unfortunately, they didn't have this one in a smaller version, and otherwise I would have gotten the smaller version, because sometimes you can't be sure if you get a headache from certain scents or not over time. So I just wanted to try it. Let's just start with the little fashion editions. First of all, I have this wristband. I'll just put it on in a second. It's just a simple one. It goes with the earrings I picked up for the Christmas party. So yeah, really simple, not really fancy, but it's a little eye catcher because I don't have a lot of accessories for my arms or rings. I would rarely wear them because I don't like things on my arms and hands generally. Not so much because I don't know, it just feels heavy on me, so I prefer not to have any. But because of the sleeveless dress I have, and even for the other green dress, a small wristband would be a nice accent, I would say. And to go with it, I picked up these earrings. You have a long dangly one here, then you have a kind of crystal drop accessory there, and then two simple ones, but they are actually really big, so I wouldn't say they're too simple, but they're really noticeable. I hope this suits me well. I'll just put it on in a second. Hold on. Put them on. As you can see, they're not that huge, but they're really noticeable because they're so light colored, silverish, sparkly. I think they would look better with my hair down. I don't like the positioning that much, but I think they would look better with my hair down. I'm not sure if I will decide on this one because the stress, like the stones, are really small in comparison to this one. But do you think they suit each other? I don't know. So these are the Chelsea boots with some block heel. They're shiny, and the first impression from me, I didn't look at them before, is that they're really nice. Even the material is kind of shiny, but it's super pretty. Like on first glance, it's very black. The sole isn't that black, but I think the sole will get dirty anyway, so it doesn't really matter there. But I think they look really chic and could also go on parties with it, and maybe just keep it for the heck of it. And I'm pretty impressed now. Each boot I got in size European 37. Pair of boots I got a light blue colored, a cold turquoise colored boot, sock boot style. I'm not sure about them. Like at first glance, they're maybe a bit too dark for my dress. I would like to have like a baby blue kind of thing, but depending on the lighting, they look really bright on camera. They almost look something in between gray, green, and blue. So the tones really differ depending on the light, right? So I think maybe if it's light enough, they would go well with a white dress, right? You could also, because the sole is a little bit black, you could also maybe wear black tights, right, with it to a white dress. I'm not sure. It wouldn't fit the green dress I have, but it would have. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but I will just try them on and see how it looks. But yeah, they have a zipper. Here's a closer look at the material. I think they look really nice, but I'm not sure if I could wear them other than for this party, because I have boots, and yeah, these are a bit hard to style, or should I say not hard, but a bit more difficult, a bit more challenging, right? Yeah, this year, white boots. There you go. I never bought white boots because my boots get dirty. It will get dirty, right? But maybe for this purpose I can get more trendy and stuff with a white boot. I'm not sure. Because the dress is white, obviously, I'm not sure how this will look, because also the form of this boot, it's a bit more wider than the ankle, and usually this kind of style doesn't suit me because I'm too short to wear it, but because of the heels I wasn't sure. I just wanted to try it out, and you can see for yourself if a white boot actually is something you can wear. I'm not really sure about this, guys, so yeah, that's the last option I got myself, because it goes well with a lot of colors, but I'm afraid it looks so chunky and I'm too small. I'm not sure how it looks, so we can try it, right? We can try it. That's all from H&M. Then I picked up some heat tech. I usually wear, I actually just on the back, on the way back from H&M home, I went by Uniqlo, which is a Japanese shop which sell a lot of things with uni colors and not so many fancy stuff, like basic stuff, right? Things you wear on daily basis, and I really like that idea. It's really popular in Germany right now. So, and I think Berlin has maybe 4 or 5 stores or even more. I'm not sure on this, but there are a lot now. And they are usually pretty big. And the collection also include heat tech, which I'm a real big fan of. I have a teddy bear coat which is heat tech and it's super warm and super cute. I bought it like 1 year or 2 years ago, not sure. And I also had always had this tank top, kind of camisole to wear underneath stuff. And this stuff actually really works and I'm really happy about it. I'm not sure if I talked about this before. And also this is not tight, you know. It looks like figure hugging, but it's not tight at all. It's really thin as F and super comfortable. I can even wear this to sleep and I don't really notice wearing something. You get so used to it and you really, you definitely feel a difference if you don't wear heat tech underneath. And because it's gotten so cold now, I was picking up another one and I always get the nude colored because obviously I can wear it under everything. And they have different colors. They also have t-shirts and long sleeve heat techs. Recommend them for all the girls who are freezing their ass off. And yeah, Alexander Wang actually designed heat tech underwear for Uniqlo lately. I think it must be still in store. But other than that, I also picked up a t-shirt for my boyfriend from heat tech, so he can try it once, and a scarf with heat tech. And the scarf is also something he wore every day since I bought it for him. And I recommend trying it out because this stuff actually works. On Uniqlo as well, I picked up a seamless undie for the first time. It's from another section called Air Rhythm. It's a product that should work well against a lot of movement, sports, like it shall keep dry even when you're sweating, so it dries really fast and stuff. I didn't try Air Rhythm yet, but I definitely wanted to pick up seamless underwear, so I was like, no, maybe I can try it. Just practical to have seamless underwear. I would say every girl who wears a lot of different kinds of fashion needs seamless underwear anyways. So yeah, this is the normal panty style underwear. They come in different colors as well. Then we have this brand, discovered through Zalando first of all, because Zalando promoted this brand some years ago. I have no idea, but they also have their own online store and I buy from them directly. They have really nice stuff. I have a popcorn, like, I don't know. I have some underwear and bras from them. They also have beachwear and bags, accessories, small sandals, and like shoes for the house, you know, lingerie. The nice thing is, what I really like is, I had a problem with oysho that they only sold S to L, I think, for a while. I'm not 100% sure, but they didn't have XS for a longer time, and when I purchased a bodysuit it was just a tad too long, but because of the elasticity I kind of managed. I have 2 bodies from oysho and they're super comfortable. I really like the quality as well, and the design is so feminine. I really like it. And they have a lot of bras which are not padded or have some kind of wire in it, and I really like these kind of bras and bralettes on this site. So first of all, before I show you the lingerie, they had a PJ with a koala. Do you see that? It's super soft, holy shit. It's 100% polyester, and the inside is also fleece, so it's definitely a winter PJ. And I only bought the bottom because I'm not sure if I can sleep with the top also. It would be too warm, maybe. But this is super soft and I love like slouchy things to wear around the house or when I only edit or when I play games. It's just much more comfortable and the color is really nice. It's really soft, I really like it. Good first impression. Yeah, a nice koala bear. I feel like a bear wearing this probably. It also has pockets, which is definitely a plus. So coming to the velvet collection, was a velvet this is a velvet unpadded bralette. It has a triangle form and has some more lacing on the bottom here, as you can see. It's a nice dark purple color and yeah, it has like this netty texture on the inside, which is really soft though. And on the other side they have these kind of crochet style lacing with all this velvet going on, which is super nice. It feels super nice. And yeah, very excited trying this. I think I can wear this over turtlenecks, on top of turtlenecks actually. I think I can try that. I also got the undie. Normal size panty has elastic band here. The crochet lacing is on the left and right side and the rest is just plain silky, like velvet, silky velvet. And yeah, pretty excited for this one too. They look so pretty. This is Calcedonia. This was bought on Black Friday something. I got a pair of tights. Like they had really awesome tights in the holiday collection and there were so many people interested and they had so nice ones, so many nice ones. I got one with these, look at that, even on the camera it's super pretty. It's like sparkling stars there and yeah, I'm really excited. The tights are themselves not see-through at all. This wasn't expensive at all. This was like 9 euros. And they had another tight which was also black with huge like huge sparkly stones on them. They looked really pretty and I was really thinking about getting the big ones, but I thought I would wear this one more like on daily basis than the other one, so I picked up this and I think it would go really well with my white dress and even for other dresses. Good. As you can see, it's from the party collection. If you have the chance, please check out this collection, it's really pretty. They even have blue tights with sparkles in it and lametta kind of colored tights in silver and gold, and they have also a lot of cute socks. So I'm really happy with their collection. I looked at a lot of things in their stores and I wear Calcedonia standard tights with the sheer ones, like the 30 level sheerness tight normally, and they're really good. So yeah, definitely recommend this. So you got to the end of this video. I hope you have a really nice week and yeah, check out my other hauls if you're interested. For each product I will link it in the description box and yeah, I'll see you in my next video, right? I'm not sure if I will actually film anything until the end of the year anymore, so maybe this is the last video for this year, but I hopefully don't do that. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one.